Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Behind me is where the Fischer's lovebirds have found a perfect nesting tree, right up there.
They are beautiful and very intelligent birds, living in small flocks. Now this adult has just come with a mouthful of food for its chicks. He's trying to call, but the chick seems to be not responding. Now he has no option but to fly off. Just walking a bit further to look for a better angle to watch this nest. They are beautiful birds.
No.
Lovebirds are cavity dwellers. They make their homes in tree holes, and most species nest in groups. These birds stick together for life. Now you know why they are called lovebirds. These birds transfer food from their bills to the other, a symbol of love and care. They spend most of their time preening and eating together. Very affectionate birds, as you can see here. With careful observation, right in the middle of this tree cavity, there is a hole, and this is the nest of these lovebirds. If you look careful, you can see the chick is right at the door of the nest, begging for food, and three adults around the nest are keeping guard to ensure everything is safe. Here they found a nice patch for training their chicks on how to fly and to look for their own food. Some of the chicks are still being fed, as you can see here. And right on top of the fork there, you can see some are ready to fly. One has already taken off. Their bills are sharply hooked and uncurved, essential for fruit and seed eating.